Welcome to episode 6 of me preparing my Coupe for the wrap. Today I am going to be working on the front bumper. I really want to finalize this piece just so I can store it away over there. Hey guys, real quick, this is actually episode 8. I'm not sure why past Thomas, the one that you were watching, said episode 8, but yeah, you can continue now. But before I get into today's episode of me working on the bumper, let's go ahead and take off my rear wing and I'll show you guys why. All right, so over here, this is my roof spoiler or my roof wing, whatever you want to call it. But if you look on this side right here, you can see that, well, it's not exactly staying on. Finding the trunk alone is hard. I can only imagine finding this top piece. So I'm gonna take it off just in case and probably double side tape and put it back on possibly. We'll see. Essentially, once you unbolt these two, from my understanding of looking at it, this should release it. So, just a little nut. Oh, that's fine. That's old. This needs to come off anyways. This thing literally just shattered. All right, well, there used to be a cover on it now. It disintegrated because I'm pretty sure it's like 20 plus years old. Okay. I think I may have found what happened. All right, I totally see what happened. You look on this side right here, there's a bolt right here that essentially lines up the wing with the trunk, right? There's also one in the middle. The middle one is perfectly fine. However, if you look right here, it's missing it, and this literally just fell out. So I think this just goes into here. Why is there 3M tape? This is straight up just 3M taped on. Okay, anyways, this piece right here needs to go back on the bottom right over here. So let me figure out how to fix that real quick. I'm also re-emphasizing that this is going to be a temporary fix. Duct tape. This is very, very ghetto, and I really prefer not to do it this way, but it's fine. Now let's see if my third brake light works. If it doesn't, I'm going to be very, 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 very sad. Please work. Please work. Please work. Please work. Please work. Oh, that's not a good. Oh, that's my fucking clutch. Oh shit, I was pressing my clutch. I fixed it temporarily. It looks really disgusting. It's a very good way of doing it, but I fixed it temporarily. So now I know how to take this off. I know how to take off the wing. It's not actually using fish line. It's through a bolt, which I'm very surprised by. Yeah, let's move on towards the front bumper. So I forgot to put this away too. Just this ratchet. It's always nice. All right, that is a major issue. Okay, so I clearly did not fix that. All right, now just like that, I temporarily fixed it. All right, so essentially I'm going to sand it down to make it all smooth again. There are some places where I probably need to have a little bit more work, like these corner parts. And yeah, I'm just gonna get to work and try to get it done. Okay, it is 10:38 p.m. and well, I'm pretty content with how the bumper came out. Everything is pretty smooth considering the fact that, you know, this is my first time. So I'm gonna give you guys a little walk around. Start from here, and then you can see all the way around. I can walk it closer so you can see it. The bumper is pretty good, pretty much good to go. Everything, boom. It's all smooth and shit. So I'm pretty happy with how this thing came out. Now in the meantime, I'm going to be working on my bumper some other day, which will be a continuation of this video. It is April 18th, 2023 while I'm filming this. So in other words, it's Tuesday. I'm gonna wait until the weekend to work on the repair for the crack over here. So that means I'm gonna be working on my hood the next few days. And hopefully by the time it reaches the weekend, my hood should be done. So I'm gonna go ahead and close the shop, and when I clap right now, it's gonna shift and fast forward into the future. Boom, couple days have passed, and well, this front bumper, I'm gonna leave this to the side, wait until another couple days after today to work on it again to fix the crack. With that being said, time to bring in the clown shoe into this warehouse and continue working on the hood. Ooh. My plan for today is to fix this little piece of rust right here. I'm gonna see if I can take off the grills or the kidney grills, take off my windshield thing, and yeah, let's get started. So I read online somewhere that what you're supposed to do to not break any tabs is to put a towel, put it behind it, and then sock it. So yeah, I'm gonna try to do that without breaking any tabs, so wish me luck. Ow, that really fucking hurt. Okay. Punching it clearly was not the best idea.
Move and install your front kidney grills.
You just really gotta... Oh shit. Surprisingly, I actually broke 0 tabs doing it that... I broke 1 tab doing it that way. All right, I didn't think that would actually work. All right, as they say, you just gotta send it. You just gotta send her, bud. Easy. Oh shit. All right, now that that's out the way. Also, since I'm spraying and sanding, I got these. I will use this to block off what I'll be sanding. So yeah, this should be quite helpful. Boom, time to get sanding. I'm gonna work on this piece over here and yeah, get right into it. So far I have completely eliminated all the rust on this panel over here. Along with this little piece, there was rust. Now I'm going to try my best to sort through the whole entire hood to see if there's any rust spots, remove those. After that, give it a wipe down, clean it up, do self-etching primer, then filler primer, then I'm going to let it sit. Alright, I just finished doing all of the sanding. I removed pretty much every single speck of rust from this hood. On top of that, I even masked off the areas that I don't want to get self-etching primer on. So, now it's time to start spraying, and afterwards, I think I'm going to call it a wrap. I just finished doing all the self-etching primer. Now it's time to move on to the filler primer once all this dries a little bit more. Yeah. All right, self-etching primer done, filler primer done. Now we wait, let it dry overnight, then we block sand, and then add on automotive primer, and then afterwards sand 600 to 1000, and that hood should be done. Then we can move on to the next panel. I'm gonna call it a day. I'm gonna call this an episode. I will continue this next episode. So, that being said, thank you guys for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe. I will see you guys on the next one. Deuces.